So in just a couple of days, Motorola is going to launch its new flagship phone named the Moto Edge X30 in China. Now the main highlight of this phone is that it has the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which was recently announced by Qualcomm at its Tech Summit. Now while there are a couple of days left for the launch, Motorola is revealing the key specifications every day on its Weibo page. Some of the things that Motorola has already revealed include the display, the cameras, the battery size and charging. Now this is not the first time we are getting to know the specifications of this phone, because almost a month ago we got to know the specifications via a leak. But the thing is, now everything is official, so there should not be any doubts in whether the specifications are right or not. Starting off with the display on this phone, the Moto Edge X30 has a 10-bit OLED with a Full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The display supports HDR10 Plus content, and if these display specs seem familiar, then you are not wrong, because this exact panel is there on the Motorola Edge 20 Pro as well. The display has a hole punch cutout in the middle, and this hole punch cutout houses the selfie camera with a 60 megapixel sensor. Yep, now it is official that the Moto Edge X30 has a 60 megapixel camera for selfies. And this is perhaps the highest megapixel count for a selfie camera on any smartphone. On the back, the Moto Edge X30 has a triple camera setup, and there are two cameras on the back with a 50 megapixel sensor. As we know from the previous leaks, one is for the main camera whereas the other is for the ultra wide camera. Motorola is yet to reveal the megapixel count of the third camera on the back, so it may or may not be a telephoto camera. And finally, let us talk about the battery and charging speed. So Motorola has confirmed that the Moto Edge X30 has a 5000 mAh battery, and the phone also supports 68-watt fast charging. This makes it the fastest charging smartphone that Motorola has ever launched. Comparing the charging speed to that of Motorola Edge 20 Pro of this year, there is more than twice the power this time. So yeah, those are some of the details that Motorola has officially shared about this phone, and if you do not know yet, the Moto Edge X30 is also launching in the global market in the coming months, but with a different name. In the global market, this phone is expected to launch as the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. It would be interesting to see at what price the phone launches in China, because not only this is the highest end flagship phone that Motorola has ever launched, but it is also most likely the first smartphone to launch with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. What do you think of the Motorola Edge X30? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.